Guys, Dr. Nando of Jiva Med Spa here. So I just completed a pelleting on one of my patients, and she was sharing some really good feedback that she wants everybody watching to hear, particularly because there's so many people that want pelleted and they're just worried about doing it, and she really wants to help all of you guys watching, so she wanted to share some words.
So I've had Crohn's disease for a long time now, and a lot of arthritis, and I investigated the pellet, and I can't live without it now. I have no Crohn's episodes, no arthritis pain. I feel great. I have energy. I'm in love with it. I told Dr. Nanda I would pawn my house if I had to keep this going.
That's the feedback we hear from our patients. And did it improve your sleep? Did it improve your energy?
Oh yes, I sleep soundly every night. I have tons of energy, and it has enhanced our sex life as well.
There you go. So that's a nice little good side effect to have.
It is. It's a great side effect.
How about in terms of like your muscles? Like it's in the wintertime, everybody's scared. They're worried if they fall, they break a leg. Has it improved like muscle aches and pains?
Oh yeah, I have absolutely no muscle aches. I used to have terrible leg aches, and I have none now.
Yeah.
None.
So this is why, guys, we really want people to hear about this, because it can change your life. It can make you feel better. It's extremely healthy, reduces the risk of breast cancer in women, prostate cancer goes down in men, heart attack and stroke goes down. That's why we love this so much. So
That's great.
Thank you for these kind words.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.